Meaning of horse.
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 Horse. A horse is a large, four-legged mammal that is often used for transportation, work on farms, racing, and recreational activities such as riding and jumping. They come in various breeds, sizes, and colors, and are known for their strength, speed, and endurance. Horses have been domesticated by humans for thousands of years and have played an important role in many cultures and traditions. They are also used for therapeutic purposes, helping people with disabilities and mental health issues. Horses require proper care and attention, including regular exercise, grooming, and feeding, to maintain their health and well-being.